Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, we will show you one of the most important pattern, which is evening star pattern. Friends, come and join. Let us discuss about the key points of evening star. What is an evening star pattern? Psychology of evening star. Types of evening star pattern. How evening star pattern appears in lower to higher time frame chart. How to identify evening star in live chart. Come, let's explore it. Guys, what is an evening star pattern? Evening star is a 3-candle bearish reversal pattern. One solid green candle rising up, one small bodied candle or indecision doji candle, followed by one big red candle. The combination of the 3 candles is known as evening star. For any trading activity, 2 parties are involved, buyers and sellers. In a stock market, buyers are also called as bulls and sellers are also called as bears. Always there will be a big fight between buyers and sellers. This evening pattern tells us who are leading the market, whether bulls are leading or bears are leading. Initially, buyers were leading the market, pushed the price towards up direction. Thereafter, a small indecision doji candle happened, which tells us halting the price at the same level, which means buyers and sellers are having equal strength. That's why doji can be in red color or green color. It doesn't make any difference. Next, formation of big red candle indicating change of direction to downtrend by taking U-turn in the price chart. Friends, we will see the formation of evening star in the chart. Previous trend was up. The price action raised the market with a green candle, which is followed by an indecision doji. Subsequent red candle with full body confirms the reversal and the price took U-turn to down direction. Here, one more example of evening star. Previous trend was up. Evening star pattern happens at the top of the chart, leading the price to down direction by taking U-turn. Friends, you all may get a doubt. We will find so many evening star patterns happening in the live chart. Can we consider all evening star pattern for trading? No, absolutely not. Why? Don't take a trade only by seeing a evening star pattern or bearish engulfing pattern in live chart. We should know what is the main direction, whether the chart is moving in uptrend or going downtrend or moving in sideways. Evening star is to be considered when the chart is only in downtrend. We should ignore this pattern when chart is in up direction or in consolidation. After formation of evening star pattern, price take U-turn. The chart is moving to down direction, indicating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. After reaching a lower point, the price action took a pullback and it creates an interim resistance zone. This is the main important point for take a decision, guys. If evening star pattern or bearish engulfing pattern happening at the interim resistance level, the immediate next red candle is a confirmation candle and hence it gives us selling opportunity. Accordingly, we will get multiple entries in every pullback as long as chart is moving in down direction. Types of evening star pattern. Now let us expand the scope of evening star and the logic behind each type. When we compare evening star patterns in lower to higher time frame, these are 3 types. Here, the closing price of third red candle is the deciding factor. Type 1. Red candle closes above the open price of green candle. The resultant candle will be inverted hammer in higher time frame. Type 2. Red candle closes exactly equal to the open price of green candle. The resultant candle will be gravestone doji in higher time frame. Type 3. Red candle closes below the open price of first green candle. The resultant candle will be shooting star in higher time frame. How evening star pattern appears in lower to higher time frame chart? Friends, we will discuss about type 1 evening star. It's a combination of 3 candles in lower time frame into 1 candle in higher time frame. For example, we will take 3 5-minute candles. First candle is the solid green candle. Second one is indecision doji candle. And third one is solid red candle, which is closed above the open price of first green candle. As we have discussed, closing price of third red candle is the key point to remember. The resultant candle will be inverted hammer in 15 minutes time frame. Friends, before taking a trade decision, we have analyzed the price chart in various time frames. For example, this is the 5 minutes time frame, each candle consisting of 5 minutes. And this is a 15 minutes time frame, each candle consisting of 15 minutes. Type 1 evening star pattern formed in 5 minutes chart. And the same pattern converted into inverted hammer in 15 minutes time frame, as shown in the picture. Now, we will discuss about type 2 evening star. For better understanding, we need to analyze the price chart into various time frames. For example, here we will take 3 15 minutes candles. First one is solid green candle. Second one is an indecision doji. Third one is solid red candle, which is equally closed at the opening price of first green candle. As we know, closing price of third red candle is a key point to remember. The resultant candle will be gravestone doji in 45 minutes time frame. Friends, let us discuss about type 2 evening star pattern in two different time frames. For example, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Each candlestick represents 15 minutes. And this is the 45 minutes time frame. Each candle consisting of 45 minutes. Type 2 evening star pattern happen in 15 minutes time frame. The same pattern is converted into gravestone doji in 45 minutes time frame, as shown in the picture. Guys, here is the type 3 evening star. It's a combination of 3 candles in lower time frame into 1 candle in higher time frame. For example, we will take 3 4-hour candles. First one is a solid green candle. Second candle is an indecision doji. And third one is solid red candle, but which is closed below the open price of first green candle. Here also, the closing price of third red candle is a key point. The resultant candle will be shooting star formed in higher time frame, which is 12-hour time frame. Now, we will see another example. This chart is 4-hour time frame. Each candlestick contains 4 hours. And this is 12-hour time frame. Each candlestick represents 12 hours. At the top of the chart, we will see formation of evening star, which is 3 candle bearish reversal pattern in 4-hour time frame. To combine the candlesticks, we need to compare with 12-hour time frame. Here, shooting star is formed at the top of the chart, which is replica of evening star in 4-hour time frame. Friends, let's get into summary of key points. Evening star is the most powerful bearish reversal pattern. It is known as A-class pattern and also textbook pattern. After formation of evening star, price will take U-turn. But all evening star patterns are not for trade. First of all, we need to check for main direction because price is God, trend is the friend. Hence, trade with the trend and gain profit. Thank you.
Hey guys, let us know what kind of topic you want us to cover in next coming videos. Please share the video to all your family and friends. Please leave a comment below to express your opinion. Thank you.